Mapping transit information within Esri's Business Analyst. Within the Map section of Business Analyst, a user can go to the Add Data tab and select Web Maps and Layers. Here, I'm going to use the Living Atlas tool to search specifically for New York Transit. Here you can see that there's a number of different map layers, but the one that I'm interested in adding is New York Transit near Parks and Trails. When I add that to my map, you can see all of the existing trails as well as parks that are in proximity to the said trails. I can use this map to help me analyze potential retail traffic. I can show features or attributes on the map, and I can get a better understanding of what the traffic looks like, where people are coming from, and where they're going to.